So this video is just to show you how to do the tail. So you need the bottom end of your body, and you'll need to just get 3 pieces of yarn that are about 20 centimeters long, and then pop your hook through on the other side of round 1. Grab the yarn centrally and pull it through, and then if you hold 3 strands of that, it should pull through the other 3, and I've managed to lose one. There we go. So what you need to do is now plait these and then just tie them off at the end. So we just do a little plait and then tie them with a cutesy little knot at the end, and it will just hang really nicely and finish it off. So if you want to join me on the next video, I'll show you how to sew it all together, and I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have successfully made an elephant, I would love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram at the Crochet Web or comment below. I'd love to keep building my subscriber list, and I'll hopefully see you on the next cutesy video. So once you've done your knot in the bottom, just grab some scissors, leave it, cut it off, and leave it a little tiny little end, and there you go. I'll see you on the next one, sewing it up. Thank you for watching. Bye.